how many times have you been asked to essentially meet in your Zoom room? And people say, what's your meeting link? Well, here you go, -ZM. I told Santi, meet me there, please. And he then is going to reply back. He's going to say something like, sure, I'll be right there in just a second. And if you need to use that, you can now use it in Google Chat as well. Watch again, -ZM. I hit enter, and that's it. Now I don't have to search for it. I don't have to copy it, and I don't have to paste it. It's all happening inside of there.